Hi, I'm Ruth from Ruth Betty, and today we're on day 5 of the 6 days to a calmer you. Now, hopefully, you've watched some of the other videos and you have tried out the experiences of using your senses to tap into meditation. And today we're going to get a little bit more mobile. And it's all about the movement today, which essentially is what yoga is about. We're connecting the body, we're connecting it with the breath. And that movement and breath connection is what brings us into a meditative state. So you might want to try just some simple breathing exercises, breathing in and out through your nose. Now, many people have tried counting. If you breathe in and breathe out and use that to the count of 4, it's the simplest breath work to get into because it's not too long and it's not too short. I like to use it to my favourite track, which is Hell Is Round the Corner by Tricky, because it's got an amazing 4/4 beat. That was from Isaac Hayes. I'm going to get really nerdy with music there, and Portishead have used it, and I think Alicia Mindilian, etc. Loads of people have used the 4/4 beat from that Isaac Hayes track. So find a track with a 4/4 beat, and you're going to lie down on your bed, maybe on a floor, maybe just sit in a chair, place that 4/4 beat on, and use it to count with your breath. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you breathe out for the same count. So let's try that together. Maybe you want to close your eyes, place your hands to your laps, and we're going to breathe in for 4 and out for 4. If you want to get fancy, you can breathe in for 4, hold for 4, breathe out for 4, and then hold for a further 4 before you breathe in. But you don't really need to do that. We just really want to calm that breath down and bring ourselves more connected with our body. If you want to add movement in it, may I suggest placing your hands together, breathing in for 4, out for 4, and back to here for 4. And you continue moving your arms. You might just want to lift your arms up, place your arms down again, whichever way you want to move your body. Maybe you want to twist, turn, maybe you want to sway from side to side, whatever feels good for you. Have a go, and again, let me know in the comments. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow on our last day.